Welcome back to our 100-day journey of solving Power BI DAX errors. I am Bhavani and today is day 2. Our focus today is on the dreaded circular dependency error in images. This error occurs when major or calculated columns reference each other in a way that creates a loop that leading to the message a circular dependency was detected. Let's dive in and see how we can resolve this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more videos like this and let's master Power BI together. Alright, let's understand circular dependency in a DAX query. I have a simple data model with sales table with 4 columns: year, product, value and quantity. Here I have added a matrix. So I need to calculate the total sales with a discount. So let me go to the discount first. So in the discount, I have used the total sales measure here. Now, if I want to check the total sales is calculated with SumX with referring to discounted sales, which is already I have defined. Now this creates a loop as I'm referring total sales inside discounted sales and I'm referring discounted sales inside the total sales. So because of this, this is going towards a circular dependency. To solve this problem, basically you have to stop referring the measures in a loop. Right now I have created total sales. Now I can go and use the total sales inside the discount. So let's for example, I can refer the new total sales, and this is how it should be. It should not be an infinite loop where you are referring each DAX query, each measure inside another measure. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more Power BI Metrics videos. See you in the next video.